How to create an account on Discord. Welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to create an account on Discord. First thing we need to install. So open up any app store that you have on your device and type in Discord and install it. I already have an account as well as I've already installed, so I'm just gonna go ahead and install. So basically when you open the app, what it's gonna look like is that it's gonna look something different. So I'm gonna quickly sign out of my current account. So here you go. You'll be provided with two different options. Simply click on register. Alright, then you'll be asked to type in or enter in either your phone number or email address. Select either one of these and tap the next button. As soon as you do this, it's going to ask you to confirm whether you're human or not. So you have to fill out this CAPTCHA. Once you fill out this CAPTCHA, you then need to go ahead and create, or you just have to go ahead and create a password, or it's actually going to send you a confirmation code, right? So you have to go ahead and type in your confirmation, and then it's going to ask you to type in your display name or create a display name. Tap the next button once done, and it's going to ask you to set a password as well. So type in that and tap the next button. Now that to verify, you have to type in your date of birth and click on the confirm button and click on create account. And with that being said, you've successfully created your account. Now you could go ahead and find friends, add and all that. So this is how you should be able to create an account on Discord. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.